Hello, everybody, and welcome. My name is Roxana, and today we are making a beautiful, easy to make front door wreath. We are working with some beautiful geraniums. We also got these beauties. We got some sorted greenery, these ones, and also these ones, which came in a bunch. Beautiful, beautiful. We also got this beautiful nest. We also got a ribbon that I made with my bow, Deborah. And we got our scissors and wire cutters. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, everybody, first things first, I just want to thank everybody for watching my channel, and to my subscribers, much thanks. You guys are helping my channel grow, and I appreciate from the bottom of my heart. I do. I enjoy being here with you guys like always, and thank you. I'm going to continue this journey for you. Bring out some beautiful, spectacular, easy to make reefs. We're both learning together, and let's just get this started. I just want to thank you guys. Okay, we are just going to get this green. Oy, oy, oy. Slow down, mama. First thing, we are going to put our ribbon on. Let's get this in place and attach this in the back. Some wiring. Okay, we got that there. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to get our greenery. We're going to start from the bottom. Lift some of this up and insert it. On your reefs, you could use glue. You could wire it on. Okay, and we're going to go around this way. I'm just going to continue our way up. All the way over this way. Oh, I just love this greenery. I popped into Michael's the other day. I never been there, but wow, they have a lot of different assortment of greenery and florals. Ay, ay, ay. I thought they would be expensive, but it's not. It's kind of like the same, or like Hobby Lobby. But yes, that's where I got these beauties and these ones. We're going to get the rest of these. I'm going to hold up on these. We're going to get our geraniums up in here. Yeah, just look around in different craft stores and you will find some beauties going on. Yes, indeed, which I did. Oh, look at that. I think I'm going to slow down on that and then just balance them out. Let's get our geraniums going on. Like I said, use your glue gun and attach your items. Get another one over here. There we go. Oh, yeah, we got to make room for our little nest. I forgot. Okay, we're going to balance that out. And I think we're going to get one more. Now, right in here. There we go. Look at that. Then we are going to get some of these going on in here. Weave our way around in. Put some, oh yeah, way around in there. Look at that. I'm going to get another one over here. I like the little tip of the white. This one I'm going to bring in here to mix it. That, look at that. Okay, oh yeah, we got one more geranium. Where's this one going to go? People will put him right up here. Bend it this way. Okay, we got some geranium leaves. Let's get those attached up here. That. Oh, yeah. Okay, look at that, everybody. Then we're going to get our little bit the florals. They had a bunch of these for, I think I got those for 99 cents. Oh, look. Okay. This one, I think we're going to put this one in here. That. I get this other one right in here. That. Ooh, look how beautiful. How's it looking, everybody? Thumbs up or leave a comment. There we go. Your comments help me. Look at, wow, how beautiful. Then we're going to get this little Easter basket, blah, 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 blah. Little Easter, ay. A little nest up there. And look at that, everybody. How beautiful and easy that was to make, everybody. Look at, we got our ribbon, got our geranium, some assorted different greenery, and wow, Just be creative and balance your items out. Step back and visualize, and you will come up with the beauty. Once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Like and share. Till the next one more video, and then we are going to get into some 4th of July. Okay? Have a great day. Let's get that smile on, everybody. Ooh, that came out beautiful. Yeah. And thanks for watching.